Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Unlock stunning dining room design ideas for modern homes, unveils a treasure trove of inspiration for contemporary living spaces. Within these 12 lines, the essence of modern design is distilled into a captivating narrative of innovation and style. Each idea present is a key to unlocking the potential of dining areas, transforming them into focal points of elegance and functionality. From minimalistic to bold statement, the spectrum of design possibilities cater to diverse tastes and preferences, ensuring there is something for every modern homeowner. Thoughtful selection of furniture, lighting, and decor. These design concepts breathe new life into dining rooms, turning them into showcases of sophistication and charm. With a keen eye for detail and commitment to aesthetic excellence, this collection serves as a roadmap for crafting dining spaces that leave a lasting impression. By embracing these ideas, homeowners embark on a journey of self-expression and creativity, where their dining rooms become a reflection of personal style and redefined taste. Thanks for watching. Watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.